Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you outstanding, beautiful, gorgeous, latest, trendy and most demanding new high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of haircut designs 2022. You can wear this sandal in official parties and in formal function. All designs are so gorgeous and stylish for those women. So friends, please watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because our design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of sandal. You will find 100 of new designs, 100 of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please friends, subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, beautiful, gorgeous, latest, trendy and most demanding new high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So guys, please like my video and share my video with your friends and family, because my video very useful and have a unique and stylish latest fashion ideas. So friends, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, beautiful and gorgeous party wear high heel sandal designs ideas. Do comments in comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions of my previous video. Thank you so much friends of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.